In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting that controls how large or small your text appears when you compose new messages and how to make the change stick. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail and open your inbox. Take a look toward the top area of the page where the main toolbar sits. You'll see a menu represented by three dots, often labeled More. This menu gathers extra options that aren't shown by default, so it's the quickest path to the controls we need. Go ahead and click that menu, then choose Settings from the list. This takes you into the place where Yahoo Mail lets you personalize the look and behavior of your mailbox. It's where display, layout, and composing preferences live. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Just look for the option labeled Settings in that same menu and select it to continue. Inside Settings, find the section called Writing Email. This is the area dedicated to your composing experience. Open it to reveal options that control the formatting of your outgoing messages, including your default font choices. Think of this as the master switchboard for how your emails will appear when you start typing a new message. Now scroll down until you see font size. This is the control that sets the default size for text in the Compose window. Choose the size that's most comfortable for you. Smaller sizes let you fit more text on the screen at once, while larger sizes improve readability and reduce eye strain. If your window shows a preview, use it to confirm the text is easy to read at a normal viewing distance. Most modern displays look great with a medium or slightly larger size, but pick whatever feels best. Your change is typically applied automatically, so there's nothing extra to save. The new font size will be used the next time you compose a message. Note that this affects new emails you write going forward. It doesn't change the appearance of messages already received or sent. If you want additional personalization, this same area often includes related formatting options such as font style and color, which you can adjust to keep your emails consistent and accessible. If your screen layout is different or the menu labels vary slightly, the path remains the same. Open the More menu, go to Settings, select Writing Email, and adjust font size. That's all there is to it. Enjoy a more comfortable composing experience in Yahoo Mail.